Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for your government cricket kit, providing a simple, easy-to-follow guide. First, find the official online portal, which is essential for starting your journey. Next, gather all required documents beforehand, saving you valuable time. Then, accurately complete the online application form, double-checking every detail carefully. Finally, track your application's progress, ensuring you stay informed throughout the process. This structured approach helps make your application straightforward and successful. To be eligible, you must be at least 16 years of age, residing within the designated administrative district. You will need several key documents for your application. This includes your national identification card, clear proof of your current address, and a recent passport-sized photograph. Additionally, many programs require a letter of recommendation from a registered local sports club. Having these items ready streamlines your application, preventing any unnecessary delays or complications. Start by visiting the official Government Sports Development website, which is the primary portal for applications. Once there, easily find the specific section for the Cricket Kit Initiative. You will then create a new user account, requiring a valid email address and a secure, unique password. Proceed to carefully fill in all your personal details on the digital application form. Take your time, entering all information accurately, as errors can cause processing delays later on. After filling the form, you will upload your scanned documents. Make sure each document, like your identification and proof of address, is a clear, readable digital file. Carefully upload each one to its specific section on the portal. Before you hit submit, take a moment to meticulously review all uploaded files. Double-check for clarity and accuracy. Once satisfied, submit your application, and immediately note down the unique confirmation number provided for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.